The most underrated feature in Blender. Today I'm introducing you to Fresnel. We're going to see how to do this. First, we delete the default cube. I'll add a Suzanne as an example, and then we'll go straight into shading. First, we duplicate the main BSDF, add a mix shader, a Fresnel, and a color node for better control. What the Fresnel does is display a reflection only on the edges of your object, depending on your viewing angle. The trick is to connect your Fresnel to the color node, then plug everything into the factor of your mix shader. And there you go. Your texture will look much more lively. You can also use it in several other ways, like making the Fresnel glow to create an outline, or even using it to make glass. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to subscribe. I'm planning to make several more videos like this. I also post my Blender renders on Instagram. If you're on Instagram, you just have to click on my profile. Otherwise, you'll find the Instagram link in the description.